Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. The public can now access FINSAC Commission documents after an archive system was launched Thursday. As you'll hear in this report from Kirk Wright, the financial meltdown of the 1990s will also provide a research opportunity for tertiary level scholars.
Over $160 million spent and hundreds of submissions made, but in the end, the commissioners who presided over the FINSAC Commission of Inquiry failed to provide the government with a final report on its findings. Instead, the information gathered during the hearings is now available to the public. Speaking at the launch of the FINSAC Commission archives, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark admitted there were some omissions.
One or two out of thousands of documents would not be fit for disclosure, not for reasons that they contain any smoking gun, but that it would establish a precedent that would be problematic.
The Ministry of Finance is now offering research grants to the University of the West Indies and the University of Technology to provide works of scholarship on the collapse of the financial sector in the 1990s.
It is hoped that in the adjudication of these research grants, they'll be done in such a way that we don't have overlapping research, but we have researchers looking into this period from various perspectives.
The FINSAC Commission was set up in 2009 to look into circumstances that led to the issues in the financial sector during the period, operations of FINSAC in relation to delinquent borrowers, and to make appropriate recommendations in order to prevent a recurrence. The Finance Minister says one of the lessons learned is the role financial sector stability plays in economic stability.
And as such, regulation has to keep pace with the innovation in the sector. And the regulations that are on the books that are being prepared, the Twin Peaks regulation, absolutely critical to financial sector stability going forward, given the complexion, the makeup, and the structure of our particular financial sector, where financial conglomerates control 90% of financial sector assets. And financial sector regulation must continue to be free of undue influence.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $159.20. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.17. $207.37 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.65. The JSE index advanced by 2,012 points, while the junior market fell by 24 points. Among the 51 winners were JMMB 5.75 US dollar bond, T-Tech, CAC 2000, Jamaica Fiberglass Products, and KLE Group. The 46 losers included Key Insurance, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Trans Jamaican Highway 8%, Access Finance, and Iron Rock Insurance. 16 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Good evening.